Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today I'm going to share with you the most beautiful card project kit that Stampin' Up offered this year. It's called Timeless Tidings. The kit, it's $20 and make 20 cards. So it's $1 a card and they are gorgeous. And on top it off, it comes with the gold trim envelopes. Some of the envelope you get the red, and some of the envelope you get the green inside. This kit, it's beyond awesome, and we never had a beautiful kit like that. So because it's so, I fell in love with it, I'm including one of each, not done, the supplies in it, to make your own in my paper share. To find out about my paper share, just below you get the link of this video to go direct to my blog, and you're gonna have the detail or the link for the paper share. What is the paper share? It's you're gonna get a piece of 6x6 of all the designer series paper plus the glimmer paper, the galvanized paper, the foil paper that it's offered in the catalog. The paper this year is beyond gorgeous, and as always I do a paper share. It includes all that the designer series paper. It includes the glimmer paper that we get 3 colors this year. Here we go, and the red, and then the twinkle. It includes all that. Also, it includes 2 of the silver and the gold card that come with the envelope and the card base. I thought this is very different, so I decided to add 2 of each too. So I call it my my paper share plus. So I'm going to share with you how to make this card. Like I said, for a kit of 20, it is $20. The stamp set is sold separately. This is the lovely stamp set. I absolutely love the font, love everything about this set and the kit. So the stamp set, it's $20. One thing, that's the clear mount. That don't mean that it's see-through clear. Clear mount mean that it's red rubber that mount on a clear block. So let's say that you need a 60 card. Well, then you would need 3 kits and just one of the stamp sets. So it's one way you can make your cards that are very, very affordable. And with Christmas season, it is very time consuming sometimes, but these are so simple to make. So I separated my kit there so that you're going to see, you're going to get everything that I'm going to share here. You would get 5 of each. Yeah. So we're going to start with this card here, and it is self-explanatory. Put it that way. If you are getting the paper share from me and you don't have the stamp set, you can use another stamp set. Don't be afraid to use another stamp set, but I think the stamp set, this greeting, it's beautiful. Now, you get the foil here. The best trick that I can tell you to take the foil, take one piece, like in your left hand, and the right hand, peel it up, one on one side, one on the other side, and then all the little dots going to stay there. We're going to remove that, and you see the line. You even get the line where to add your gold paper. So it's no, you don't have to think about where this go or so on. Voila. Now we're going to take our layer that it's already done for you, and we're going to put that right at, oops, let's remove this there, right at the top, like this and like this, and it matched perfectly fine. Now for the greeting on this one, it is the long Merry Christmas. Everything was stamped in the black, I think, in the kit, and I want mine stamped all in old olive. So I get old olive. I'm going to take this, and we want the V going on the left side, and Merry Christmas right here. Voila. And then I'm going to use dimensional to mount this. And then I brought also a cherry cobbler ink, and well, I'm going to just do one inside and I'm going to share the rest. So this is going to come right at the edge here. And then you even get the blinks with it. So you get gold blinks and green blinks. So this you get one right over here, one over here, and one over here. About every card get 3 blinks. Now inside, because that's the poinsettia, I'm going to use the poinsettia that come in that stamp set. I'm going to do that right in the corner. I'm going to take one of the cards that I'm using the green one. Going to put that in the corner. Et voila. So now you get a card completely finished inside, envelope and everything. Let's move that aside. Let's go to number 2. Now this one here, and it's pre-score. So another thing done for you. Again, take this there and then pull this way. I learned the hard way that I pull up quick and all those little pieces was stick. Oh, I had a little mess. So you want to pull away from it. I just got one little piece here at the end. So now that I got that, see the line? You're going to line that up right here. So no thinking, just quick and go. Now the one with the 2F moon there, that's going to go on the the left hand side. I'm going to look at my sample here so I won't mess up. So this is a perfect kit, like I said, if you're at the last minute, or not only that, that you challenge to find time to do Christmas card, and it's something that it's been your goal and made card. Well, this is it, my friend. It is quick, easy, and the cards are gorgeous. Now I'm going to take this stamp set, stamp this, and we're going to use dimensional, and there and there. And then inside I would stamp my holly. Oh, this one should have been this way here. That's okay. I'm going to put mine right here. It was the other way in the sample, but we'll say we have to follow the sample. Now I'm going to use my green bling, and I'm going to put one here, one over here, and one over here. Et voila. And then I would use my, here we go, this is my holly, and then let me grab an envelope, and I would put my holly there. So you see, you get another one completely done. Let's go to the next one. Now the next one, this one you want to peel this up. Very simple. We're going to fold our card in 2. We're going to take, again, you want to peel on one side and peel down the other side. Here we go. And then it's even designed for you, show you where to put that. So it is no thinking at all. Everything it's thought, been done for you. Now, mid the Christmas, let's use another stamp set here. Right here. Oh, I wrote my stamp. We're going to call it good. Well, yeah, going to call it good. And this is going to get mounted right on top. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to mount another one on top after the show. So make sure you don't rock your stamp. This is going to come right here. And then we're going to use dimensional. Here we go. And then I would stamp like the 3 inside and on the envelope. Now, last but not least, this is one of my favorite too, I think. Okay, this one we get a little star there. I took that, put it on the top of the, oops, you know what would have came handy here? It's my tool. Here we go, top of the 3. Now again, you're going to take this, peel that, round it, oh, see? Go back. You want to make sure that you peel away, because this one want to give me a little fit. Just make sure you rub it. If that's the case, just rub it like I did. Here we go. We get a few there that wanted to give me a problem. We're gonna just poke them. I mean, out of all 4, this is the only one. That's not bad at all, right? And you know what? I think that if I take a paper, I just took a paper and voila. And get one here was stuck on the side. I think I can remove this. I had 2 stuck on the side. Et voila! So if that's the case, take a paper, and now again, you're gonna follow this line right here. Put that right there. Oops. Silly paper. And we're gonna take the trees. Oh, the other one, the one we just finished, I forgot to put the blinks. We're gonna come back and add the blinks. Now we're gonna add our trees right here. And now the stamp set for the trees, it's conferred right here. Here we go. And then we're gonna mount that. I like to put dimensional. That's all optional. You can put it straight down or with dimensional. I'm gonna put that right here. And then we're gonna add the gold bling to this. So we're gonna use a gold bling right here. And so each card, it's 3, I think one it's 5. And the one that it's 5, it's this one, and it's gold also. So you're going to put 2 over here. All the other one, it's 3 blinks, and this one, it's 5. And here it is, all done. So I would do all the inside with the matching stamps. You get the poinsettia, you get the, so you get 1, 2, 3, and 4. I know this one needs to get fixed there at the top, but here we go. So how beautiful these cards are. I think they're beyond beautiful. And the stamp set, see, you get those 3 things, you can mix them in. And then while you do the outside, the inside of the card, do your matching envelope. So if you do all your stamping, you do 5 of this, 5 of this, 5. Oh, not this one. Where's the other one? Sorry, this one. So you do 5, 5, 5, 5. Then when you come to assemble your card, it's very, very quick. So all this is going to make your festive, your holiday season a lot smoother. And again, visit my blog at FrenchieStamps.com. Below in the comment, you get the direct link. This kit starts to be available September 5th. 2018. And so then my paper share, the last day to sign up, it is September 4th. So come and visit my blog at FrenchieStamps.com. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye-bye for now.